A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So first of all, before starting, how do you like the ambience here? Is it good? Is it good? Are you enjoying? I cannot hear it loud. See my kids are saying yes. So please, firstly, for the Wonder Cruise, give a big round of applause. Welcome all the eminent people present here, our extinguished guests, parents, the lovely parents of my smallies, my team members and the management. I am so much privileged to stand here by the blessing of God and the elders to host the event Wonder Cruise today. I would like to welcome each one of you present here and a very special and warm welcome to our worthy chief guest, Dr. Ravindra Kumar Malik, who is nationally and internationally renowned scientist, food and dairy scientist. You would be proud to know that he is the son of Nilokedi. He has done his bachelor degree in biological sciences in the year 1974 from Kurukshetra University. He did his master's and doctorate in year 1976 and 1982 respectively. He has done his postdoctorate from Germany in the year 1984 and 85. In year 1978, he has joined the esteemed institution National Dairy Research Institute, Karnal, as the post of scientist, and we are proud that he is currently working over there on the post of Joint Director Research. He is an expert member of International Dairy Federation and Bureau of Indian Standards. Small wonder is privileged to have you here, sir. He is a very special man here because he is the one amongst us who all consider that Nilokedi is a backward town. We have such kind of gems, and I won't be wrong to call him the gem of Nilokedi. Again, a big round of applause for our extinguished guest, Dr. Ravindra Kumar Malik. Coming back to the event Wonder Cruise, when we were deciding about conducting an event like the Grand Fest of the school, we were very confused at what should be the name of the event. Naming is a big thing. When a baby is born in the family, you obviously the big task that what should be the name of the baby. So naming an event was a big thing. We have surfed net, we were asking so many people that please suggest a good name. And finally, this name Wonder Cruise came to our mind. We were happy about this name. And I want to share that what is the reason behind this name, Wonder Cruise. Wonder. Small Wonder is known for doing wonders since it has been established in year 2012. To note it down that Small Wonder Preschool was the first preschool of the region Nilokedi, and it had given new dimensions to the early childhood education, which is a brilliant thing. Before Small Wonder Preschool, there was no concentration on the early child development, which is an important aspect of today's arena. When it comes to the cruise is sailing on a luxurious ship. Cruise is known for the voyage, a journey. And we have a journey of glorious 5 years. For your crowd, I want to tell that Small Wonder Preschool is going to complete 5 successful years on February 2017. It's going to complete 5 glorious years, and it has a great success story behind it. Small Wonder is always known for the initiative taken. We are known for taking the initiative. We are known for the activities we have conducted in our school. I must say that my motivation is no one else, it's my own kids. The inspiration comes from my children itself, the smallies of the Small Wonder. Their innocent faces and their hyperactive brains always keep me motivating, always keep me on toes for working day and night for making them learn about the various activities. And I take a great pride to mention that if you compare my kids, though the comparison of the children is not recommended, but if you will compare my children from the age mates of any school of the region, I can say it with a bet that they are the best. Best in terms of learning, best in terms of grasping the things they see in their environment, best in their cultural activities, best in their potential. These my kids are proven to be the best, and I'm so much happy today. In the last 5 years, we are doing a cultural event on this level. And I take a great pride again to say this, that each and every child of my school, normally what happens in the school functions that only few number of children participate in an event. But I'm proud to say that at this grassroots level, when the kids have just started learning, means all the parents who are here, they have not even started going to school at the age of 6. But the senior most students are at the age of 7. And they are going to do wonders today because they have prepared for this. They are preparing for this event from last 2 months under the professional guidance of our choreographer Shubham Bhalla and mentorship of all their class teachers. So let's stop the talk now. Let us gear up the event, and for that I would like to invite Shri Davinder Malik on the stage to do the honors to our distinguished guests, Dr. Ravinder Kumar Malik and Dr. Meena Malik. Please, sir. So, here are the wonderful people we have with us with a great intellectual mind, and these are definitely the gem of Nilokedi. And I would now request, we have the culture of lamp lighting ceremony. I was very much unknown to the culture that why it happens with the lamp lighting ceremony is only in the formal. So for the preschool purpose, this time for a little change, instead of the lamp lighting ceremony, we have these wonderful balloon flying ceremony here. The purpose of this, that the various colors of these balloons in the sky would reflect the heights of our smallies. Until you can see the balloons in the sky, that is the limit. That is the limit. Only sky is the limit for the growth of the smallies here in Small Wonder Preschool. So please, now I would request our worthy chief guest to please fly the balloon and let the sky see the various different colors of Small Wonder Preschool.